Money Manifestation Theta. Before we get started, if you'd like a free manifestation program that has helped over 10,000 people to help you manifest anything you desire, click the link in the description below. Money Manifestation Theta. We all want to manifest things in our lives. We set our intentions on what we want and we wait and think that the law of attraction is not working. The law of attraction is a universal law and it is fail-proof. So we have to ask ourselves, what are we doing that is keeping us from getting what we really want? Setting our intentions is the easy part, but what are our thoughts and words telling the universe? Do we continue to trust that we will truly get what we want, or do we start to get negative when we don't see it happening right away? If you are like us, we clearly and boldly set our intentions on what we want, but when we don't see any movement happening right away, we start to question and let our ego get the best of us, thinking that it's not meant to be, or that we won't be good at it, or that we don't deserve it. I have been in the process of starting my own business. I am full force ahead and setting my intentions on how much money I want to generate or how big the business is going to be. Then within the next day or so, I start letting my thoughts creep into, what if it doesn't succeed, or what if I can't make enough money, or why would people want to go with my company? Those thoughts represent doubt and a lack of faith and are determining my new intentions, which are failure. How can I expect to succeed when I am shouting out to the universe about failure? So how can you make your intentions manifest? 1. Set your intentions. Setting clear intentions are so important. Decide what it is that you want to achieve. Whether it is the perfect relationship, a new car, financial prosperity, or a free lunch. I like to write down my intentions in blue ink. This carries a higher energy, and by putting it in writing, it makes them very clear. Next, write down why you want that particular intention. Make it about the emotion. So if you want financial prosperity, it is not so you can buy what you want, but it is more about freedom. The freedom to do what you want, when you want. A relationship would be about having companionship, not about getting married or not being alone or have someone to pay half the bills. Evoke the emotions that come with getting what you want. Now you want to write down the emotions that you are going to experience when you have your intention. That perfect relationship is going to make me so happy and joyful, feeling warm and safe, elated, refreshed, excited about life. I will have my heart beating fast and feel the beautiful knowing that I have someone by my side on my journey through life. The intention is what sends your request out into the universe, and the emotions are what draw the manifestation back in. 2. Address any blocks. We can manifest anything that we desire, but if we have blocks in our subconscious that tell us that we don't deserve or aren't good enough to have those things, we will never be able to receive them. I have a friend that has been a millionaire 3 times, and has lost it all and filed bankruptcy after each time. He is able to quickly manifest, but deep in the subconscious, he does not believe that he is worthy of having it. If we have a mentality of lack, that usually comes from a place of unworthiness. I personally had the experience of a belief that I did not deserve a healthy relationship, and even though I did a great job of manifesting and designing what that relationship would look like, I had to dig deep to discover why I was not achieving it. As soon as I was able to dig deep within myself and pull out that weed of not deserving, within 2 weeks, my perfect relationship appeared and I was able to hold on to it. 3. Still your mind. The best way to manifest is to get out of your head and get into a theta state of mind. The theta state is where we bridge the conscious and the subconscious mind. This is the state of mind that a young child lives in. This is why they are so impressionable and where false beliefs are formed. Theta brainwaves can be considered the subconscious. They govern the part of our mind that lies between the conscious and the unconscious and retain memories and feelings. They also direct your beliefs and your behavior. Theta waves are always creative, characterized by feelings of inspiration and very spiritual. It is believed that this mental state allows you to act below the level of the conscious mind. Theta is the first stage of the phase when we dream. Meditation is a great way to get into the theta state. This is where we get when we are hypnotized or we fall into the REM cycle of sleep. There are plenty of guided meditations on YouTube that can help you get to that state of mind if you are a beginner. You will feel when your mind gets into that state, there is no time, no feeling of your body, and no outside awareness. If you can't quite get into theta, then alpha is a good start. Think of your brain as a radio, receives and sends out signals. When you enter an alpha frequency, you are switching stations from receiving, which is beta mode, to sending mode, where you can focus on a very clear intention. If you've ever been driving a zoning out and a great idea has popped into your head, it is likely you were in an alpha state. 4. Visualize. This is the fun part. This is where we get to use our imagination and get into the mindset of a child. In this place, anything is possible. We are co-creators and we get to design what that intention gets to look like. If you want a big house, visualize that big house. Live in the house, experience what you feel if you were walking around that house, going into your bedroom, pulling into the garage, swimming in the pool. Live it. If it is relationship you want, dance with your partner, feel yourself in their arms, hear what they would be saying to you, kiss them, hold them, smell them. Make it as real as you can. When you evoke the emotions, this is where you raise your vibration to be in congruency with the vibration of the wish that you desire. Hold on to the image for at least 60 seconds and then move on to the next one. We suggest sticking with 1 or 2 per meditation so that you can stay focused and create as much detail as possible. Feel yourself breathing differently and your body reacting to the emotions. It should feel very real to you, as though it has already happened. Are you struggling to manifest the things you want in life? You know you want to live a positively abundant life, but there's one problem. It's hard. That is, until now. Today, I have a special free gift for you. It's a free manifestation program. Just click the link in the description below. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel if you're new, and get your free manifestation program by clicking the link in the description below.